On 13th of August 2014, the Union Government of India scrapped away the 65-year-old Planning Commission and announced that it would be replaced by a new body called NITI Aayog. Hi there, welcome back to my channel Educate with Milanjees. So today let's discuss about NITI Aayog, its objectives and functions in detail. So before going any further, if you had not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting the notifications of my upcoming videos too. Also, like the video if you feel that the content was good and comment in the comment section for further clarification. So without any further waiting, let's move on to our topic. First of all, let's examine in detail what exactly NITI Aayog is. On 1st of January 2015, the NITI Aayog, which stands for National Institution for Transforming India, was established as the successor to the 65-year-old Planning Commission. It must be noted that NITI Aayog, like that of Planning Commission, was also created by an executive resolution of the Government of India. Hence, it is neither a constitutional body nor a statutory body. NITI Aayog is the premier policy think tank of the Government of India, providing both directional and policy inputs. While designing strategic and long-term policies and programs for the Government of India, NITI Aayog also provides relevant technical advices to the centre as well as states. In a paradigm shift from the command and control approach of the past, NITI Aayog accommodates diverse points of view in a collaborative setting. While explaining the reasons for replacing the 65-year-old Planning Commission with the NITI Aayog, the Union Government of India made the following observations. India has undergone a paradigm shift over the past 6 decades, politically, economically, socially, technologically, as well as demographically. The role of government in national development has seen a parallel evolution. Keeping with these changes, the Government of India has decided to set up the NITI Aayog. An empowered role of states as equal partners in the national development, operationalizing the principle of cooperative federalism. A knowledge hub of internal as well as external resources, serving as a repository of good governance, best practices, and a think tank offering domain knowledge as well as strategic expertise to all levels of government. A collaborative platform facilitating implementation by monitoring progress, plugging gaps, and bringing together the various ministries at the center as well as in the states in the joint pursuit of the developmental goals. The composition of the NITI Aayog is as follows. First comes the chairperson. The Prime Minister of India would be the chairperson of the NITI Aayog. The vice chairperson. He is appointed by the Prime Minister of India. He enjoys the rank of a cabinet minister. Members. There are full-time members as well as part-time members. The full-time members enjoy the rank of a Minister of State. The part-time members, maximum of 2 from leading universities, research organizations and other relevant institutions in an ex officio capacity. Part-time members would be on rotation. Ex officio members, maximum of 4 members of the Union Council of Ministers to be nominated by the Prime Minister of India. Chief Executive Officer. He is appointed by the Prime Minister of India for a fixed tenure, the rank of Secretary to the Government of India. Secretariat, as deemed as necessary, would be made. The Governing Council. It comprises of the Chief Ministers of the states, Chief Ministers of the Union Territories with the legislature, that is Delhi, Puducherry and Jammu and Kashmir, and the lieutenant governors of the union territories. Regional councils. These are formed to address specific issues and contingencies impacting more than one state or region. These are formed for a specified tenure. These are convened by the Prime Minister of India and comprises of the Chief Ministers of the states and Lieutenant Governors of the Union Territories in the region. These are chaired by the chairperson of the NITI Aayog or his nominee. Special invitees. Experts and specialists and practitioners with relevant domain of knowledge are special invitees nominated by the Prime Minister of India. Apart from these, the NITI Aayog houses a number of specialized wings, including the research wing. It develops in-house sectoral expertise as a dedicated think tank of top-notch domain experts, specialists and scholars. The consultancy wing. It provides a marketplace of vetted panels of expertise and funding for the central and state governments to tap into, matching their requirements with solution providers, public and private, national and international. Team India Wing. It comprises of representatives from every state and ministry and serves as a permanent platform for national collaboration. Now, let's study in detail about the objectives and functions of the NITI Aayog. First one is to evolve a shared vision of national development priorities, sectors and strategies with the active involvement of the states. To foster the cooperative federalism through structured support initiatives and mechanisms with the states on a continuous basis, recognizing that strong states make a strong nation. To develop mechanisms to formulate credible plans at the village level and aggregate these progressively at higher levels of government. To ensure on areas that are specifically referred to it that the interests of national security are incorporated in economic strategy and policy. To pay special attention to the sections of our society that may be at risk of not benefiting adequately from economic progress. To design strategic and long-term policy and program frameworks and initiatives and monitor their progress and their efficacy. To create a knowledge, innovation and entrepreneurial support system through a collaborative community of national and international experts, practitioners and other partners. To offer a platform for resolution of the intersectoral and interdepartmental issues in order to accelerate the implementation of the development agenda. To actively monitor and evaluate the implementation of programs and initiatives, including the identification of the needed resources so as to strengthen the probability of success and scope of delivery. To focus on technology upgradation and capacity building for the implementation of programs and initiatives. Today, we had learned about the NITI Aayog, why was it formed, its various objectives and functions. I hope you all liked the video. Please do subscribe my channel and keep supporting me with your likes and comments. Till we meet with a new topic, auf Wiedersehen.